Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi. We have a unboxing or PR or gift, I don't know, something happened and oh my god, I can so I'm going to open box this box with you. So I received this box over here from Garnier. This is the vitamin C, and guys, I love this. So we have two products over here. I love this one. I use this, I don't know how many bottles I finished, but I love this product. This is very good. This is my favorite vitamin C, and now they have a new one. This is from this is the vitamin C brightening night serum. So it's 10% pure vitamin C, natural and original. So I like it, but I like this one as well. This is vitamin C day serum. This is 3.5% vitamin C plus niacinamide. I'll try this one over here because this one I love it, and this one I never tried, so I'm so excited to use. Thank you Garnier for sending me this amazing product. Ciaté, London. Oh my god, I can't believe it. This is amazing. So this one over here, so in the box you can see I have 4 things, and the first thing I have the everyday vacation vacay, and basically this is a dewy coconut misting setting misting. So I'm gonna try. Let's see. I like it or not. Ooh, look this bottle. Beautiful. I like it. Oh, look at this pump. Oh, okay. Let me see the mist. Oh, smells so good. Smells very good. Smells coconut. This is good. And the mist is very good. We have a dewy blush. I never tried this. Beautiful. Look at this packaging. So beautiful. I love it. And we have a dewy stick body. This is so good. And we have wing dewy. Basically we have 2 products inside, and one is a pen and one is the stick for the wing. So thank you Ciaté London for sending me these amazing products. We have another Ciaté London. You can see we have a brush collab with Hannah Martin, and we have more products. Wow, girls, this brush, it's very good. So we have a powder brush. It's very beautiful. We have eyeliner brush. Good. And we have a blender brush. Amazing. We have a dewy stick body again, but this one had glitter. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look. We have another setting spray. I have one more for backup. And we have a Glow 2 blush. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I have this blush. Girls, I saw everyone in Instagram with this blush, and I don't have. So now I have. Look at this packaging. This packaging is incredible. Look at this. beautiful. And look at this blush. You can see this blush. Wow, so beautiful. Love it. And we have a bronzer as well. Again, beautiful packaging. I love it. And look at this. Look at this. You can see this. This is so beautiful. And this is the bronzer. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look. You can see. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Ciaté, London. I'm so excited. I'm very, very excited. And this one over here is from Skin Proud. So here we have a sunscreen because it's very important sunscreen. I'm very excited to try this one over here. And this is good, very high protection. And this is sunscreen has UVB and UVA. And this sounds good, very good, really. And we have a dry body glow oil. Ooh, like it. We have a eye cream, gel cream. Okay, for eyes. I need to try this one. And we have a leave-in and hair moisturizer. Okay, this sounds good. Everything sounds good. Thank you so much, Skin Pro. Thank you so much, Skin Pro. I'm so excited for this product. Another box. And this one over here, this one is amazing, really. This one is from Spectrum, I think. Look at this. Girls, this brush is amazing, incredible, really. This brand is incredible. So, this is the face brush, and this have 5 brush. This is amazing. I love this brush. So we have here 6 pieces of eye brush. We have a bronzer. This is the bronzer. I'm going to show you. Look at this. Look at this packaging. It's incredible. It's beautiful. And this is the bronzer. Beautiful shade. This is perfect for me. And this is so cute. In the box we have a bronzer and this little brush. Look at this. It's so cute. Love it. And we have another set brush. This is a mini. This is very good for travel. And we have a foundation brush, bronzer and blush brush. We have a highlighter brush, a blending brush. This brush over here, it's very good. And eyebrow brush. It's perfect for traveling. More things. We have a blush. This is the box. This is a balm brush. And this is the blush. Look this. This is so teeny. And this is the color of the blush. It's a pink blush. Yeah, it's a pink blush. And this is the brush from the blush. This is so confused. Brush from the blush. Oh my god. More things. We have hydrating mist. We have a glowy flu. this is a primer, hydratant. We have a sponge. I'm going to show you this purple one. It's good. I don't like too much sponge. I prefer brush. We have lip balm. The packaging the packaging for this brand is amazing, really. And this is the packaging. Look at this. Everything is soft pink. It's beautiful. We have this one. This is the soap for clean my brush. I have a towel for the brush. See? This is amazing for my brush when I'm gonna clean. This is good when I'm going clean my brush, and I'm going to put over here. And this is it from Spectrum. Thank you, Spectrum. This product, it's very good. We have a big box from Dove. I don't know what it's saying in English, but for me it's Dove. Dove. I don't know what it's saying in English, but for me it's Dove. So we have a letter. This is so cute. I love to receive this. And we have products. And I'm gonna say, here in UK this year the summer was so boring, so I need some bronzing, and Dove is perfect for bronzing, and this is amazing. So first we have a body care. This body care, it's good. It smells so good. It smells so good. And we have for medium to light results, and we have for medium to dark results. So I use this one over here because I am light, and I like a little bit more bronzy, but you are medium. I recommend this one over here. A mousse as well, and so I have this one on in light to medium, and I love it. I can't stop to use this one. I didn't apply in my face because I'm so scared because of my act. So thank you so much, Dove, and I like it, and I used. So girls, you can use this in the summer and in the winter as well. So girls, you need this, of course. You don't follow me in my Instagram and my TikTok, you are losing so much things. And last week I post with using this one because this is so good. This is from Hairburst. Inside this box we have shampoo and conditioner. And look at these bottles, it's so beautiful, and I have discount code and you can use, and I recommend. Girls, yes, this is good. And this mascara, oh, and this smells so good, and this mascara is good, so good. And look at this, we have a protector. This is amazing, and smells so good. Look at this. My hair, when I use this, my hair looks so incredible, beautiful. This is perfect for the winter because my hair and winter, it's not very good. So this one over here, vitamins. Girls, last year I bought with my money one box of these vitamins, and I love it. Because my hair, when I use this, everyone asks me, why your hair is so beautiful, so shiny, so my hair growing so fast and beautiful. and incredible. And I use this. This have 16 supplements. You need to take 2 over this every single day. So girls, you need to use this, and I start to use in this month, September. I start to the 1st of September, and I'm going to show you my hair and next month, and you will see my hair looks so incredible. And when I'm finished this one, I'm going to buy with my money because this is very good, and you can use my code, and it's more cheap. Here you have curl hair. You know, our hair is so volume and frizz and everything, you know? So I like volume, so I use this as well. So my hair when I finished like above was incredible, beautiful. This combo, this these these 4 products together is amazing, and this one complement everything. My last product is SPF, and girls, this SPF is very good. This is for dial protection plus 15 SPF 15 is for me is the best because of my skin. I need SPF 15, and this is so good, really girls. This is listen, attention please, listen. It dries skins up to 36 hours after use. 36 hours, it's amazing. So this have protection of PA plus and UVA and UVB, and this is no comedogenic. I'm using this today, and look at my skin. My skin is so beautiful and glowy. This is not oil, but glowy, and love my makeup I did today. But I'm going to try to be more active in here in YouTube because I love YouTube. I love talk to you. My English is a little bit better, so now I'm more confident for talk to you and to do more videos. So girls, this is it. I finished my receipt. Thank you so much for everyone sending these amazing products. Thank you, because I'm so happy and I'm so glad and I'm so grateful and I'm so proud of myself. Basically, I love my work, I love what I do. So thank you everyone. Stay here because I stay out 1 month or 2 months, I don't know. And thank you everyone, stay here because I'm back, and we will have more videos. So girls, thank you for stay. So thank you so much for stay, and thank you for watching this video. I hope do you like this video because I love to record this video. It's so good. And see you. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up do you like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.